Yeah, George. This George. Yeah, we lost George and...
George is right here.
George right here.
Jared's gone.
Yeah, Jared, he ran off his blue.
Oh, did he?
Boys, who's ready? Matt,
let's do it.
Let's roll.
Do it.
White platoon, call sign Hyperion. They're going to be on our left, so let's make sure we stay to the right, okay?
Alright.
Check mag. Make sure you're good. Thank you. We're going to help you guys out. Thank you. Oh, man, you stepped right in it. Ooh. Got him. You've been thrown by the swamp already. If anyone can find us, that's good work. Thanks, man. On three.
Great job.
Black belt. Huh. Blue there. Yeah. Guys, majority of them, they're going to be on the other side of the road in the ditches of the ravines, okay? That's the back.
That guy sounds like Owen.
He does. He's on comms. He's shouting the same way you shout. Alright, let's go. Oh, damn it, Cameron.
Hey, watch your 12.
Guys, spread out as best you can.
Oh, this one's already dead. Where are they at?
Go on the other side of the ditch. Oh, yeah. Push on the right, push on the left. Roger that. Hey, you want smoke? Guys, hey, let's get some smoke. I got it. Hey. Guys, get healed up, quick.
Crossing.
Hey, let's rock and roll. Oh, yeah. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Heal him.
I have no idea. There's one over the
Crossing.
there.
Crossing.
Hey, keep those guys back in.
I got you.
Let's go. Guys, watch your kick. You walk. Come on, guys, move it up. Move it to the left. You got
Cross walk if you have to.
I'm here. Start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Owen, give me your hand. Come on.
Is that an objective right there?
That kid screaming, go respawn. What a loser.
Hey, is that an objective?
Where?
Right there.
1,
I
2,
don't know.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Ref,
18,
admin,
21,
Marshall.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You're good.
Hey!
Ref!
Is that an objective?
Ref!
Marshall, is that an objective?
No. Negative.
Whoa.
Go.
Oh shit.
I don't know where they're at. Oh, I see one.
Loading. It's indirect fire. Indirect fire from the right.
Dude, my goggles are fogged as fuck.
Are they?
See anything.
Damn.
Hey, do we have any medics back there?
I'm a medic. Holy shit.
Just a heads up, they're all hiding in a trench at the farm.
Yeah, I saw.
We gotta help some people.
We have guys helping over there. Shit. Holy shit.
Keep their heads down, please, so we don't get shot.
Where's that coming from?
Straight on, it seems.
Oh, I see.
I can't.
I see it. Hold on.
You can't see me.
No, they're shooting at you in particular.
They're moving up on the left. We got some fire.
My 12 at the end of the path. To the right side of the end of the path.
I'm just gonna fire on your call out. Because I can't really see, so.
Like, you see how there's a path in front of us?
Yep.
It's to the right at the very end.
You have somebody right there. I think that's our guy.
That's one of our guys, I'm pretty sure. Oh, damn it.
Ah, hit.
Hey. Come here! Come here! Come here! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Alright, thank you, boss.
Yeah.
Alright,
What's up?
I see it. Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Too far. Too far away.
What is that?
Hey. Ah, I'm hitting you.
Come on, dude.
Ow, stop.
He just moved, so I could. Oh my gosh. Where'd you get? Hold on. He was down first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Good throw! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Ow, stop. Ow, ow. Oh, shit, no.
Gosh dang. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I feel
5,
like we're getting
6,
friendly fired.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Where's that coming from?
I know, I'm already down.
I hear you.
Dude, I don't see anyone.
I don't either, but they're being hit. Say it again, you're breaking up. Where are we at?
That's a good question.
Where's our location?
Cannibal Village.
We're at the Cannibal Village.
Cannibal Village, over.
Ah, God.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes! Holy sh...
Come on, let's go, let's go. Move left. We're gonna move left. Push left. Push left. Push left. Move up. Push left. Push left. Move up. All Imperial forces, move left. Move up.
They're coming to meet us.
Good job. Just go up, go.
There you go. Good job, head.
Go, go, go. Push up. Push up.
Oh, the smell of smoke, man.
Come on, guys, into the ditch! Into the ditch! We got a hole! We got a hole!
Hey, I'm gonna grab you and pull you forward.
Come on, guys, pass me!
Okay, come on. Get up. Oh, hit!
Sorry, buddy.
Damn it.
Move left! Come on! Come on, guys!
Medic!
Need a medic!
We need a medic.
One down!
Come on! Come on! Get off the road! And then swing right!
I dropped my bandage. Can someone grab my bandage? It's on a tree. It's on the left. I'm a medic, but I got hit.
Hey, yo, lead
Thank you very much.
Are we clear again?
Thank you. Medic!
Come on, everybody here! Go, go!
Oh no.
All right, guys, come on. Come on.
Medic! You a medic? All right, thank you.
Stop the ditch. Keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Be careful when you help these guys. I'm gonna help them too.
29 and 30. Thank you, sir. Yep.
I'm coming for you. I got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You're good. Appreciate it. Jackson! I got you.
Hey, see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You're good. No, he's being good right now.
27, 28, 29, 30. You know when you guys are all pushing along.
Coming down.
I'm not going in that. No.
Unless I push you.
True.
On me. On me.
Silver team!
Silver. Guys, get some security, but we're going to rally right here for a second.
Silver. Somebody get on this so we can still listen. Just keep an eye that way. Yeah, I need to reload anyways. Perfect timing. Hold the cap. Copy. We're in the closest ravine. He captured it. Burner, this is Vulcan. On the left. We're broken and unreadable. Hold this. Guys, get us. Don't push too far. Copy that. Moving to barrier one. Move up to the wood. Silver. Let's go, gentlemen, on your kill. Hyperion, right, move up.
Go.
Move it up.
Roger that.
Contact in the village.
Move her out. Number 2. Need contact. On the power grid.
Jack, you hit?
Guys, everyone push up to the barracks, to the wood line. On the wood line.
Go, go.
Wood line. You need cover fire, no covering fire.
Loading. At the barricade on 12.
Guys, if you can keep moving, please do.
Come on, get in here, get in here.
Get in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's that? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30. You're good. I think that's not mine.
There's a guy in that tower right there. Oh, they're not gonna make it.
Oh, mine might. I got him. Holy shit. One came really close. And you're just my hop up.
Fuck.
Medic!
I'm right here. Who's down? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You're good. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You're good. Oh, I just got hit!
We need a medic!
Medic!
Jeffrey, you!
Irony!
We need you!
Medic! Someone! Medic!
Medic!
Jeffrey, come on!
Medic!
Oh, that's my dad, right?
Yeah.
Who else do we need back here?
Yeah.
All of you guys dead? No?
No, it was just me, but I'm a medic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Alright, good job.
Hey, watch that tower.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna be able to hit it.
Okay.
They can't hit us. We can't hit them, so they definitely can't hit us.
George,
I'm moving up to you.
What the fuck is Jackson doing? Just trotting around. I need to adjust my hop up. Are they? Who's got a grenade?
I smoke.
You can try to flush them out, but people get angry about that. You have a dead rag on your head, buddy. What the fuck? He has a dead rag on his head and he's trying to shoot me. Really? Oh, Jimmy just went down.
Like, are we not allowed to put the other guy up? No.
Where?
Probably falling down. Make sure you shoulder your weapons, guys!
Whose house is this?
Marshall, can we get some more cake? That thing came off. Stand by.
That's mean.
Hey, guy behind that tree! Hey, you got a long range weapon that can fire across the pond.
Loading.
Open fire the bunker! Hey, if you guys got range, somebody gets that guy across on the wagon. Hey, Hyperion, move up! What? You can get it on the dock, like right on the dock. I can't see. Alright, do you want to throw it on the dock? You want to throw this? No. On the dock. Yeah, it covers. No.
I got one.
Look, on the dock, so it covers. Try to hit the Noah! Yeah!
That's water.
Demo? That'll work. Yeah.
You just fucking threw smoke into the water.
They need to take the demo over there. Oh, no, we can. Alright. Alright, once that billows, I'm going. Shoulder that weapon! You will shoulder your weapon and aim down the fire! Come on! Go!
I got another one. Jeez, these guys are far. Oh, hit! Good shot.
Tom, this guy's down. Guys, remember, I count if you're dead. Out of your pocket for mercy.
Medic! Holy shit. Cameron, you're a medic, right? Yeah. Look at the cover behind you. There's like 5 guys dead. Oh my gosh, that Cameron's dead.